Hello and thank you. Welcome back to my channel. This is JB Lennox and I will be showing you how to use your turn signals and doing lane changes, while using your turn signal and doing it safely. Thank you to the camera crew doing this for me. I appreciate that. Everyone's buckled into their seatbelts while doing so. So, if you're going to safely go into your next lane, you're going to put on your turn signal, which to go into the left lane, it is going to be pressing downward. And you are going to check your mirrors. You're going to look over your shoulder, make sure everything's safe. Stay at your constant, steady speed within the speed limit. And you have now safely entered into your next lane. You continue forward. Now, going into your next lane, if you're going to be making a right lane change, you're going to turn your blinker by pressing it up. Again, using your mirrors, looking over your shoulder, making sure everything's okay, and you're going to enter into the lane very safely, holding a constant, consistent speed. Now that we're pulling up to this stopping traffic up here, we're going to start pressing on our brake very, very, very carefully and very slowly, giving us plenty of room and distance between the car in front of us. And that is how you do a very safe lane change. I hope this helps. When you grow, I grow, we both grow together. Thank you. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you joining us today.